This is a 2011 Mercury 60 horse inline 4-cylinder EFI 4-stroke. I just did regular maintenance service on this engine. New engine oil, a new oil filter. I put the date and engine hours on the filter. There's 235.5 hours on this engine so far. New gear oil, inspected the engine, and everything's good. I replaced the water pump in this engine last year, I believe. I'll put it in neutral real quick. Put it in reverse. Forward. It's off. There's on. So everything's good with this engine for another 100 hours, and then the next time, the spark plugs, thermostat, and fuel filter, and all that fun stuff.